What is going on, guys? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Gunnar Optiks Black Panther edition, and these are actually prescribed, so let's go ahead and get started. And they're actually Enigma, just like these, so that's why I brought my old Enigma glasses. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I could have gotten Enigmas, like, regular Enigmas, like the standard edition, but I wanted to give support to Marvel because even though I'm a DC fan, I still support Marvel. And here it is. So we got the Gunnar Optiks right here. Ooh, I've never seen that logo before. Maybe it's like a new type of logo, but either way, Gunnar is always great about their boxing, so props to them. And here it is, guys. Even in a custom, I like this. Wakanda Forever. I actually recently saw Black Panther. It's really great. Y'all should check it out. I know it's like a hit or miss, but I choose loyalty. So I know if some of you guys see, I also have the Spider-Man edition. So those are basically my backup glasses. Right here with my Enigma. I did have it since 2015. So if you can't see where it actually broke, it's right there. And we have a couple of lines, if you see that right there. I mean, I had it for a long time, so of course it was bound to happen. But we're taking a look at this. So right now when we take this out, I love the wrapping. Gunnar Optiks, thank you. I love this. They packaged it properly. We got the Marvel Wakanda symbol here. Sweet. What else do we have? We also got the logo. That's awesome. So sweet. Just to clean your glasses. We got these two. I know some of y'all are gonna say, what are you gonna do with your old ones? Well, I'm gonna keep them as backup as well. So I'll insert this in. And here they are. That's my prescription. So now we can see how blind I am. So let's start off with this design. It is sick. I love this. The design itself. Honestly, I thought it was just gonna be purple, but I guess it has the signature Wakanda. And of course, we have the logo right there, and then we have the Marvel logo, and then we have basically the frame itself of the how it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. It's awesome. I mean, you're gonna see a big difference. I chose Enigma because I actually like Enigma. Overall, same design, and it's kind of like shoes. When you buy shoes, once you know that specific pair, you're gonna stick with that specific pair. So as you can tell, they're compared to this and this. I mean, it's the same design, just more durable. I got clear ones before because everyone has black or or gray, so I'm like, I'm just gonna get the clear ones. And what's cool is that you can see like the design of it, how they fit the glasses. But I figured with this one it would be something different. And like I said, I was gonna get all black the line here, but actually, you know what? I want to support the Marvel. So plus it's the irony is like, hey, I just saw the movie, so I was like, this is awesome. So yeah, overall, like I said, it's the same thing. The design, as you can see here, I should like this. It's the same thing like that. So there's really no difference. It's just, you know what I mean? Basically, more in depth, And of course, we got the logo. So let me see. Let's try on. Yeah, it's like, I think my prescription went up a bit. Wow, never mind. It's actually what I wanted. That is awesome. Yeah, it is my correct prescription. I think there's like a 1+ on this one, but I'm finally happy I'm able to see again. I mean, I had no problems with these itself, but oh, never mind. I do see a major difference. My prescription did go up a bit. Oh wow, I see a bit more clearly now. And there, I was kind of worried about like, the prescription, but Gunnar's is actually really good about your prescribing. My thing is, yeah, if I have nothing but great customer service with Gunnar. I love Gunnar's. Other people tell me, oh, go to this, But I did take it to one place, to an optics. I don't want to say their name, but they were actually impressed with the frame that they had. Like, hey, like the frames and the lens, they had it. That's incredible. Like the way they were looking at it. I'm like, can I see them? And they were like, man, like this is great. Like the way they, I'm trying to figure out how they did the patent on it. Yeah, there is Black Panther. Sweet. On both sides. Awesome. It almost looks like the Punisher, but it's really not. But I'll rule it out as that. Like, yeah. But yeah, like that's what they said about the Gunnar lenses. Like, man, like how did they do that? Like how did they do basically? I'm trying to remember what they said. They were like, holy, like wow, like oh, I think it was the not a glasses person, but I think they were talking about like the blue light. They were amazed by the blue light, but they were also amazed by the reflective of the lenses, where they don't, you know how like you, if you buy glasses, anti-glare and all that. They were just shocked about the anti-glare. I'm like, yeah, I came with it. I'm like, it's all in the price. And you know, with their lenses, it was like 300, 400 something. So that's another thing I do like about Gunners. Like they make affordable frames. I really, really, really wanted the Fallout glasses, but I'm like, oh, no, I don't want to take a chance with. I like once, like I said, I love these frames. I don't want to take a chance by getting another frame. Plus, it was really, really hard. I was torn between getting these or the Fallout glasses. Maybe I will get the Fallout glasses, or if not Gunner, let's talk and I'll get the Fallout glasses. I am a big fan of Fallout. But overall, I actually like these because they stay on. They don't move, like they don't move or anything. And like I said, I've had these before. I'm gonna keep these. I'm actually gonna put them in here, just for old memory's sake. Yeah, I feel like I want to keep these forever because these were my first Gunnar Optiks, and they mean a lot to me. And they've endured like years of abuse. I remember I did drop them a couple of times. That was my fault, but like I was washing my hands. But yeah, overall, guys, I think this is awesome. If you guys have any other questions, you can get these with prescription or without prescription. It's really up to you. But I recommend getting a prescription. That way you can have everyday use. And other than that, I think they're awesome. I know some people would be like, oh, well, I don't know, man. It's kind of, you look kind of funny with like yellow glasses, you know, like, well, honestly, it's really up to you if you care about that. You can get them clear, light clear, but I actually want to take advantage of the blue light because everywhere we go to the movie. Whenever you go to the movies, whenever you see a TV, whenever you do something. Honestly, I think they have like a +1 where you can actually see closer. Like you don't have to squint, but you actually, the frames themselves, they have like a +1, like a zoom. I know it's crazy, but it's like they have like a zoom in or something. And I'm like, dude, that's so awesome, because like it zooms for you. And I think Gunnar advertises those as well, where like it kind of zooms for you. It's like a scope. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, guys. Other than that, once again, thank you, Gunners, for this. I appreciate you. I look forward to doing more business with you. And honestly, guys, Gunnar does have like a lot of things coming out, so now is a good time to become a fan if you're not a fan of Gunners. But they're putting out great stuff. I mean, they I think recently they put out Overwatch glasses. Once again, I was gonna get those, but they are a bit too big. I think they're about this big compared to this. I actually like minimal. So, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, drop it down in the comments. Gunnar, thanks again. I appreciate you. Appreciate your support, and I'm gonna continue doing business with you guys. And I look forward to doing more, keeping more awesome things coming to you, and keep innovating things. And what's cool about Gunners is they don't really have a slogan. It's just the title explains themselves. So, all right, guys. Well, once again, you have any questions, let me know. And Wakanda forever.